Hello, we are going to learn difference between reference variable and pointers in C++ programming language. So initially at line number 5 we have defined number variable with the 5 value. So 5 will be stored at the memory address of number variable. And at line number 6 we are printing memory address of number variable. At line number 7 printing value stored at memory location of number variable. So we will run this program and see the output. So line number 6 we are printing memory address of number variable. It is A34. This is the memory address of number variable. And at line number 5 we have stored 5 value at this memory address. Okay. And at line number 7 what we are trying to do, we are trying to print the number variable. So we will go to number variable memory address, this memory address, and we will see the value stored at this memory address. So at line number 5, 5 value was stored at this memory location, so 5 will be printed. So suppose now we have a instance variable a. So basically what is happening here, a will be number variable only. And suppose if we print memory address of a, and memory address of a will be nothing but memory location of number variable only. So a is a reference to the memory address of number variable. See out, and we can print value stored at the a reference variable. So end of line. So now we will run this program and see the output. At line number 6, so we are printing memory location of number variable. At line number 7 we are printing value store at number memory address. So line number 5 we have stored 5 value at this memory location, so at line number 7 we will go to this memory location and we will get the value 5 and we will print here. And at line number 9 we have declared a instance variable a, and at line number 10 we are printing memory address of this instance variable. So this memory address is printed. We can see this memory address is same as number variable memory address. It means number variable and instance variable a both are pointing to the same memory address. A instance variable is pointing to the number variable memory address only. And at line number 11 we are trying to fetch the value at this memory address. So to get the value of a at line number 11 we will go to this memory address, and we know this memory address is nothing but number variable memory address. And we know at line number 5 we have stored 5 value in this memory address, so 5 will be printed. 5 is the value stored at this memory location, so 5 is printed. Similarly, we can declare a pointer star p. We can assign address of number variable into the p, so p will have value as memory address of number variable, and we can print cout star p equal to. Now we will run this program and see the output. Okay, here at line number 13 we have declared a pointer variable, and at line number 14 we have assigned value as a memory address of number variable into p. So p will have memory address of number variable. At line number 15 we are printing memory address of p variable. So memory address of p variable 928 will be printed, something like this. Okay, something like this will be printed. And at line number 16 we are printing value of p. At line number 14 we know we have assigned value of p as a memory address of number variable. So p will print memory address of number variable. So P is printing memory address of number variable. Earlier we can see number variable memory address was this thing, and P is also printing the same memory address. So we can say P pointer is pointing to the memory address of number variable. See 924 here and 924 here. We know this memory location is nothing but memory address of number variable, and 5 is stored. See line number 5, 5 is stored at this memory address. So star P will print value 5 only. Star P will print value 5 only. So one difference we can see between a reference variable and pointer variable. So what we can do for better visibility, I can put this thing here. So now let me run this program and see the output. And we can see memory address of number variable is also 3C4, and memory address of a instance variable is also 3C4. So we know that instance variable is pointing to the same memory location. So reference variable just instance of the same memory address number. Here we are assigning at line number 10. So here we are not allocating new memory. M percentage of A means same memory location of M percentage of number. It is just a reference to the same memory location. And on contrary part, when we are declaring a pointer variable, we are allocating new memory to this pointer variable. So this is the main difference between a reference variable and pointer variable. Reference variable is just a instance, just a reference to the memory address of number variable only, and it is not allocating new memory. This reference variable, for this reference variable, new memory will not be allocated. But for the pointer variable, here line number 15, new memory will be allocated. Okay, this was the main difference between the pointer and the instance variable. Thank you.